English is the language of learning. English is the business language. English is also the language that's being used in training manuals. English is also your normal come together middle point of language that's being used in a workplace. So it is important for Abbott learners to be competent in English. It doesn't really help to have competence in another language because it won't help them moving forward or to progress or even, eventually enroll in higher education or in learnerships. So we focus on English and we want them to be competent and confident in English, also outside the workplace, even if they go to the bank or go to their child's school, any place, because that is the language that we will always use to communicate. Many companies share these hurdles. Book a quick chat for answers for your site.